Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create or get QR code on your Facebook page. Open up the Facebook app on your device. You tap the menu button at the bottom right of the screen. Now you tap the three dots beside your profile. To open up your pages, you tap on the page you want to switch over to. Now, while on your page, you tap on your profile picture to access the page settings. Once it's opened, you tap the three dots beside the C dashboard. At the very bottom of the options, you tap your page link, and the page link has been copied. Now, to convert the link to a QR code, you close the Facebook app and open up your browser. In the search bar below, you type in free QR code generator. Now you select any of the options here. Now, let's use this. While in the site, you paste your copied link here and you use the generate code button to generate a code, or it automatically generates a code just like this. You can customize the code as you want. To download it, you tap the download button beside the code, but for you to be able to download it, you have to go through a sign up process. So alternatively, you can just take a screenshot of this. Now, you just have to crop it down to just the QR code, just like this. Good. So you tap on done and you save it to your photos. So you now have the QR code for your Facebook page. You can put it anywhere else, on posters, on the social medias, and people will be able to directly get to your Facebook page with this. That's all for now, guys. If you find this video helpful, do well to like, share, and subscribe for more. Bye.